According to the report by India Today, a study conducted of 17,000 C-suite professionals found that 90% of CEOs had general management experience. Now, what does this mean? The thing is, once you are getting started in your career, what will be demanded out of you is specialization. But there comes a paradigm shift once you get 10 to 15 years of experience behind your back. And the moment you feel like you need to break into the leadership positions, right? At the moment, the paradigm shift from specialization to generalization is something you would see happening. Businesses will not ask specialist skills out of you. Instead, they'll ask more generalizable skills. So you need to adapt to this paradigm shift and align yourself toward multiple business verticals. Basically, you need to have more generalized business skills because as a leader in the business space, you are expected to contribute towards every business vertical possible and help the organization grow. That's where general management knowledge or experience becomes the paramount. Now, recall the first statement I made, the fact that 90% of C-suite executives have background in general management. Now, that fact shouldn't sound misleading anymore, right? Because general management is really one of the most reputed and lucrative business management domains that lets you master all the business verticals starting from sales, marketing, product development, tech, human resource, supply chain management to leveraging data analytics to make winning business decisions. Considering the wide range of skills that are part of this domain, according to Glassdoor, the average general manager executive salary ranges from 23 lakh rupees to 45 lakh rupees. With few years of leadership experience, the number can even skyrocket above 60 lakh rupees. So definitely, if you are a working professional with experience of 10 to 15 years behind your back, you can give a thought to a career in general management. But how do you exactly get started for a career in general management? Okay, first of all, this kind of degree should only be pursued from reputed institutions, from anywhere across the world. Reason is, the name and reputation of an institution can have a larger impact on your learning journey and how your degree is being perceived by the institutions or the companies. The name of that institution is going to stick with you till the end of the times. Hence, you can choose global options as well. However, the fee point for global institution would be very high, which can again bring skepticism into play. So again, the question arises, whether there are any domestic options available? Answer is definitely yes. There are tier 1 institutions such as IIMs all across India, which provide MBA in general management education. But the thing is, if you're planning to get into the prestigious IIMs, the very first challenge you are likely to encounter is taking a drop to prepare for one of the toughest exams in India called as CAT. Now this alone consists of life-altering factors, that is, losing out on the monthly pay that you have been accustomed to for the past few years. Then the next challenge is to achieve a high CAT score that will only get you the window of applying to the IIMs. If you are lucky enough to have been able to apply to any IIM, and if and only if your overall application score matches the eligibility criteria of the institute, you are allowed to move a step closer to getting admission. But wait, that is just step 1 out of 3. If you have reached a point where you are eligible for applying in the institute, you'll now just have to clear only an extremely discreet screening process, which will only consist of, let's say, 3 to 4 very difficult interview rounds and group discussions. The process alone sounds very hectic, and on top of this, imagine balancing your work life and admission criteria into general management programs at the same time. It will be too much to ask out of you, right? But what if there is a way that you can get the opportunity to learn from these very same institutes, get trained and certified by them without losing out on your monthly salary or without preparing for the CAT examination? Yes, this can be achieved with online programs run by the very same institutions. Online training programs are credible learning resources in the digital era. And if they are offered by the premier and eminent institutes like IIM, they become even more positive in terms of value proposition. The thing is, online programs have become more competitive now. Let me present a quick analysis of why. Number 1 is curriculum. So if we talk about the curriculum for online programs, you'll find out that these programs will be fine-tuned as per the industry standards, wherein the on-campus programs have textbook-driven curriculums. The online programs are most often launched in collaboration with industry counterparts, which ensures the strong research and development towards curriculum to align with its current industry requirements. Now, if I talk about faculties, the faculties for training remain the same. Generally, the faculty for online programs are only going to teach on online programs as well. Let's say if you join the online program of IIM Ranchi, the faculties who are teaching on-campus program are only going to offer the online live lectures for the course which is being offered in online mode. Third one is no opportunity and relocation cost. Online programs will allow you to continue your work delegations, allowing you to earn your salary on a monthly basis. The lectures will often be taken on weekends in flexible schedules as per your convenience. Hence, there is no opportunity cost involved. You also don't have to move out to the college campus, so there is no relocation cost as well, which means you don't have to pay more as on-campus programs. Number 4 is projects. Online programs are more practical driven over theory. Of course, you'll be taught the fundamental theoretical concepts, but focus will be more directed towards how you put those concepts to use in practice. Most of the online programs include multiple case studies and projects, which will give you real-time understanding of what you will be doing within your role. Okay, there are more reasons like placement support, doubt resolution sessions, interview guidance there as well. But I don't want to talk a lot about them. So you see, in a basic sense, you can gauge that online programs are more suitable options for working professionals over the on-campus general management programs. Alright, now if that is clear, let me go ahead and talk about one of the esteemed general management programs made available across India by the Institute of Eminence IIM Ranchi. IIM Ranchi, the National Institute of Importance, marked by the Government of India, has been active in driving innovations and addressing the needs of working professionals and helping them succeed in their careers by launching cutting-edge educational initiatives. The Executive Post-Graduation Certification Program in General Management offered by them is one of the country's finest programs for general management out there. This program is offered in collaboration with industry partner Intellipaat. With Intellipaat's stronghold in technology and management space, IIM Ranchi's General Management Program is definitely going to help a lot of working professionals master the concepts of general management discipline. Let's talk a bit about state-of-the-art curriculum of this particular program. So the program begins with business intelligence tools such as Power BI and statistics for business. We live in the era of data domination, right? Today, every business decisions made in the world are backed with data. Hence, if you want to become a leader, mastering the business analytics concepts becomes quintessential. Next up, you'll need to learn about managerial economics, marketing management, accounting and financial management. So you see, within just few modules down the line, you are going to get trained for different business verticals. Next, the program will take you through organizational behavior and human resource management, operations and supply chain management, etc. So by far, through this much of the content, you'll be well acquainted with multiple business management verticals. Again, all these verticals will be taught by IIM Ranchi faculty specialized in each of these verticals itself. Like, if you move up a bit, you can glance through the multiple faculty profiles who will be helping you master the general management concept. And you'll note that all of these faculties are from IIM Ranchi itself. Next, you'll be taught business leadership, strategic management and operational excellence alongside design thinking and emerging themes in the business environment in 2024. So you see, the curriculum is more exhausting than any other option out there, and it is more aligned towards the current industry requirements. Also, it is addressing the trends and the demands that are out there for business environment right now, so that you become acquainted with whatever the industry standards for leadership roles are out there. As a part of this prominent program, you also get to work on cutting-edge hands-on projects focused on real issues in the industry of general management. You receive is the executive level certification from IIM Ranchi. You become their executive alumni as well, which gives you the esteemed status as an IIM grad. Point number 2 is, after you finish the program, you get an opportunity to be part of a campus immersion event at IIM Ranchi campus. which will give you an opportunity to meet your peers, network with these professionals who are associated with the best MNCs and companies out there. You also get to network with the professors who taught you and researchers on the campus. You also gain placement assistance from Intellipaat's end once you finish this program. So with this one single program, you get to address almost anything that you expect out of executive degree programs. So if you're looking forward to transforming your career with general management, do explore IIM Ranchi and Intellipaat's executive postgraduate certification program in general management. That's it for the video. I hope this video about general management domain and how you can approach general management studies is helpful to all of you guys out there. If it was helpful, make sure to press that thumbs up button. Also, subscribe to Intellipaat's YouTube channel to land at more informative videos like this one. Thank you and see you in the next one.